The number of coronavirus cases continues to climb around the world. More than 94,000 people globally have been diagnosed with the virus as the death toll tops 3,200. Facebook is pledging to fight the spread of misinformation about COVID-19. In a post, CEO Mark Zuckerberg said Facebook will give free, unlimited ad space to the World Health Organization. And another FANG stock is in the spotlight. Amazon says a Seattle employee has been diagnosed with the virus. It is the first confirmed case of someone in Amazon's domestic workforce. 2 Amazon workers in Italy have also contracted it. For the latest developments on COVID-19, Kristin Myers is joining us from Lackland Air Force Base in San Antonio, Texas. And Kristin, good morning. You are in Texas because that is the place where people who were quarantined on that Diamond Princess ship were taken and then released. What's the latest there?
Good morning, Alexis. So you are exactly right. There are 7 people currently still in quarantine at Lackland Air Force Base, which is just behind me there. But I want to really quickly give you the lay of the land here in the United States with the latest figures according to the CDC. So we have 60 cases here in the United States, 6 deaths, and 12 states are reporting that they are seeing cases of coronavirus, as you mentioned, COVID-19. Now, one of those states being here, Texas, in San Antonio. Now, we have 120 of those Diamond Princess cruise members that have actually been medically cleared, and they are now being released from that quarantine. As I mentioned earlier, we still have 7 people still in quarantine here in Lackland. Now, one person was actually released early after testing negative for the coronavirus, but then later tested positive. That person was walking around San Antonio, had visited the North Star Mall, which is not too far from here, and they actually had to close that mall down on Monday just to clean it over and make sure everything was okay.
Kristin, how has the community reacted to having a quarantine in their state?
So that's a really good question. And I asked a lot of voters that were out yesterday for Super Tuesday, and I asked them if they were concerned that someone had been cleared, had been walking around, if they're worried about the spread here. And the results were a little bit mixed. Some people said, actually, we're very, very concerned about this. We're concerned that someone was released. And some people actually were just shrugging it off and said they would be washing their hands. So a mixed bag here.
All right, Kristin Myers, thanks so much.
Hey investors, Zach Guzman here. Are you interested in learning more about the markets and getting the latest financial news? Well, then click right here to subscribe to our Yahoo Finance YouTube channel. Get the latest up-to-the-minute market analysis, big interviews in the world of finance, and information on how to manage your money every day wherever you are.